You just got scrapped by a raccoon. Alright, boys. Tonight we're going to draw Scrapper from Power Birds. One of the Power Birds' most dangerous enemies. He loves garbage, stealing food, and he's the leader of the Villain Palooza. Whoever those guys are. Don't remind me of all the chaos that they brought. If you ask me, these villains are more low ranks than high class. It's nothing, dude. We'll see about that. Get that map. Here we have Scrapper's upper half. You want to know something? This guy's like a thief. Much like Pet Pocket and mostly other characters. Now we draw the spatula. There we go. Scrapper at the ready. Scrapper. And finished. Scrapper. There we go. And finished. That's how you draw Scrapper. That's the king of Wasteville. Oh yeah, don't forget, he has this super magnet that attracts cans. Well, I don't know how he comes up with this stuff. This guy's, well, I don't even want to explain it. For a raccoon, he's got nerves of steel. At least that's what he thinks. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which fighter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.